The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is really excited to bring you this pristine luxury all-brick home. 5 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, over 3,300 square feet, 3-car garage, and in the most peaceful neighborhood. Listen to the birds calling. Wouldn't you just love to live in a peaceful neighborhood like this? Let's join Heather and Tracy as they give us a tour of this beautiful home.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Tracy Cox.
Hi everybody.
And today we are at Stonehedge Drive here in Mountain Home, Arkansas. I'm super excited to show you guys this beautiful home. It's 5 bedroom, 3 bath, and it has a creek in the backyard.
And they're going to be excited to see this one.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
It's very open, all the updates, and so let's go take a tour.
Let's go. Go to the right side, Tracy. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Look at this. This is amazing.
I'm going straight to the fireplace.
I know. I love how open everything is here.
Absolutely. Look at this place.
I love the floors. You have a nice big sectional couch, and I mean, there's still plenty of room in here.
Okay, cut. Take it off the market. I may buy it myself.
You better watch out. I know.
Believe how big that room is.
It is.
Well, I can't wait to see the kitchen.
Well, you don't have to go far. It's right here.
Wow.
Look at this refrigerator.
I
This is my
know.
dream right
It's
here.
like open, both of them.
Yes.
Also.
Open sesame.
I guess if you have 5 bedrooms, you're going to need enough food to feed 5.
That's right. And I love that they have a little coffee nook over here.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. You can even use this area for like a little
Breakfast table.
breakfast table. Yeah.
Are these guys for lunch?
No.
I know, and this island, oh my goodness.
Awesome.
I love it.
Awesome.
You could have the kids sitting there doing their homework while you're preparing dinner.
Absolutely nice cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
Very
Yep,
nice.
I love the color and the white. You've got this large, kind of like a farmhouse sink right here with a garbage disposal.
Yeah. I noticed Heather, these cabinets have the soft close hinges on them.
You can't be mad in here.
No. Yeah, this window's large. I like that.
Yep. And the electric range oven, it's staying as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, plenty of counter space, and you've got like this kind of pantry right here with these pull-out drawers.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
And since you are off the kitchen, the garage is right here, so you can bring your groceries in.
Very, very large garage and deep sink there.
Yeah.
High ceiling, access to the attic. And door out inside.
Great for entertaining.
Yes. Yes, I
So-
love this space.
This room is amazing, isn't it?
It is. Tracy, why don't you take us out to this screen porch real quick?
Let's do it.
I think on a nice day, you could definitely be taking your dinner, your breakfast out here, enjoying your coffee.
Oh yeah.
Easy, Tracy.
Feels like I'm on top of the mountain.
I guess.
I know.
Looking out over the yard.
I do love all the trees around. Creates a little bit of privacy. Seems like you're in the woods.
Yes. And we actually get to see all the leaves from my favorite time of the year, fall.
That's right.
But how comfortable is this?
Mm-hmm. Very nice. And a ceiling fan. We've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main level.
A bath in the hall, off the hall here. Very nice.
It's also nicely decorated, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And I've liked that they've carried the floors throughout here.
Yes. What kind of floors are these, Heather?
These are tile floors, actually.
What? It looks like wood.
I know. Easy to clean.
Yeah, it's very nice. I love that. This is a nice sized bedroom with a big closet. It's a walk-in
How
closet.
big is that, Tracy?
Well, about say wide, about say tall.
Well, we don't need Tracy anymore. This is an amazing room.
It is, especially for a guest bedroom to have a walk-in closet like that.
I mean, I could even get a twin bed in there probably.
So you've got the primary bedroom across the hall.
John, this is a lovely main bedroom and bath.
I love how tall the ceilings are. It makes it
Yes,
seem
I
larger
love
than what it
that.
is.
Yes.
You've got double windows overlooking the front yard. And John, if you want to step in here, you've got your own step-in shower that's been updated.
Isn't that nice? It just goes right with the floors and the other decorations.
Yes, it's very roomy in there. And not only do you have one walk-in closet here.
Should I do a drum roll in a minute?
Yes, definitely.
That's big, but there's more, isn't there?
There is. You have a second walk-in closet.
Cameraman in the closet with a window.
And honestly, they've put their laundry room up here and I kind of like it.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's easy to get your clothes out of the dryer and immediately hang them up.
Exactly.
Awesome.
I don't know why more people don't do that.
Table there, if you want to use it.
Yes,
Or extra closet space.
that's right. Well, we have a basement to look at.
Let's go.
All right.
Check it out.
John, right off of the entry, you have the stairs to the basement. They've got a handrail and a little ledge with some nice plants, which I think adds a little personal touch.
Very nice.
Well, have you made yourself comfy down here?
Yeah, who wouldn't be done?
I know. You've got a little kitchenette area here
Right.
and another living area. And I like that. We'll go see it in a minute, but this is basically a whole nother house down here.
Yes. And I love that the lower level you have a garage.
Mm-hmm.
Access to the backyard.
Yes,
Pretty amazing.
right. And you have your guest bathroom right here. It's a tub shower combo. And you've got your third bedroom closet, nice size, and you have your own sliding glass door. So you can go in and out if you want to.
Very nice.
This is a good size. So if you wanted to have a washer dryer down here, you know, if you had in-laws or family or friends living here or coming to stay, they can do their own laundry.
Right.
You have extra storage. And you've got two more rooms down here. We'll go into this bedroom. It overlooks the backyard and the side yard.
Oh, aren't those cute little bits?
Yes. And you don't really feel like you're in the basement. The ceilings are high.
Right.
And you've got double doors for your walk-in closet. I can walk through, kind of like a car wash.
Yes. Just walk through and pick out all your clothes.
Yes.
Choose.
Well, the people that sleep in these beds will have trouble getting their clothes off so that this hanging.
And across the hall, you've got another nice sized bedroom. And how cute is this?
Oh my.
So it's all heated and cooled down here. Very nice floors. And they also have double closets on each side.
Wow.
Nice.
So, and you can cut through.
Cool.
Lots of room, lots of closet space. Nice tall ceilings. I mean, you could even make this into an office or a gym.
Right.
Lots of possibilities.
So, do the dinosaurs go with it? Or,
Well, they may be the ones that live here. I don't know.
there's one about ready to eat you up there, man.
Well, let's go check out that garage down here on this level.
this.
Wow.
It's like a little workshop.
Yeah, a place for all the garden tools and everything. I know there's a big storage building up back.
Yes, there is. So this is also a perfect place for it.
Yeah.
You know, this house really has it all. You've got a little bit of land here. You've got the creek in the back. You've got a couple of garages and shops and plenty of bedrooms.
I love it. I really want to buy it.
All right, Tracy, I brought a contract. What a beautiful day it is outside.
Gorgeous,
You can
yes.
go check out the backyard and the shop. You've got a fenced-in yard that's perfect for your pets.
Right.
And you do have this little driveway that connects to this road, so that's how you get to the bottom garage.
Yes. I do like that multiple entrance.
Mm-hmm.
Separate entrance.
And right now it looks like the creek is a little dried up, but I bet when we have some rainfall, it'll be very pretty.
You can sit out on the back porch and watch the creek.
Yes. John, check out this shop.
So it has concrete floors, electricity,
Yeah, perfect for storage or
insulated on the...
yeah,
This is great.
it is.
To be a shop all by itself. Just needs a little more insulation and a mini split. And
Yep, great storage for your bicycles or pool table like they have.
Right. You can't have enough too many storage buildings,
That's
that's for
right.
sure.
And it's kind of nice to have one that's separate from the house so that you can continue to park your car in the garage.
Right. So many people can't because they have too much stuff stored in it.
That's right. Well, Tracy, what did you think?
Man, I'm telling you, I may want to put an offer in on this one myself.
You better hurry and
Knock
get
it
beat her to it.
Yeah, I mean, it's perfect if you have a large family or if you have a caretaker of a mother and father or grandparents or
That's
anything.
right.
It'd be perfect. It has
Yeah.
all
A
the
little bit of
separation.
separation, but you're all together.
Absolutely. Also could be a potential rental area on the lower level. So
That's right.
So anyway, if somebody needs to check it out more or find out more information, what do they need to do?
Yes, well, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
bye. If you'd like to know more about this amazing luxury home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on your favorite social media. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.